and forget profits online. 3 things. First, monetized offers, anything that puts money in your pocket when someone clicks, tries or buys. Second, automation, websites that connect visitors with these offers. Third, the one everyone either forgets or messes up, unique video content, because that's what drives almost all traffic online. Hey, I'm Glenn Koski, and in this brief message, I'll show you how to create your own set and forget income streams the right way, including how to get unique, unlimited video content for all the traffic you need without making it yourself. As an online marketer for over 6 years, I've focused on developing products and have racked up over $6 million in online sales. The problem is the work to make that happen has been insane. Creating content isn't easy, it's rarely fun, and being honest, it's not a beginner-friendly thing to do. Which is exactly why I've developed this completely new method. Practically every make money system, course, or even coach wants you to create your own content, and that's a massive mistake. Not just because it's a major hassle and time waster, but because all of the content you'll ever need is already online, free to use, and usually it's better than anything you could create yourself. So I've built a clever software that finds you amazing content in any niche, then bundles it into your very own done-for-you monetized websites, which are linked to done-for-you landing pages that build your list while you're making commissions, for a truly set and forget profit system that generates you multiple streams of income from other people's content. Welcome to TubeSiphon. This software and method lets you exploit videos made by others for personal profits, completely legal and ethically. You get multiple done-for-you websites, each set up to make you passive income from multiple sources. In literally minutes, you can customize affiliate promos, CPA offers, and banner ads for hands-free commissions, and include e-com products from any platform with your own mini stores built into each site. Loading your sites up with engaging content is literally points and click simple with our built-in YouTube search feature that finds you amazing videos on any topic or keyword and uploads it to your sites for you. TubeSiphon comes with various done-for-you top converting lead generation pages, also points and click easy to customize, that build your list on autopilot and send new subscribers straight to your monetized sites. You're also getting free traffic methods that work perfectly with this setup, so you can forget about paying for ads. Quite simply, TubeSiphon is the most passive set and forget online income system you've ever seen. Done-for-you list building pages, done-for-you monetized websites, done-for-you content, 100% free traffic. Just follow the included step-by-step training and you can have your first automated profit factory up and running in under 30 minutes. There's nothing quite like this on the market at any price. Multiple income streams from legally using other people's content. It doesn't get any better than this. TubeSiphon is a dream come true if you're into e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or list building. It's perfect if you're doing any kind of social media or video marketing, and it's absolutely amazing for beginners. There simply isn't an easier, faster, more bulletproof way of going from zero to daily profits. The included over-the-shoulder training will get you up and running fast while showing you how to get the best possible results. Below this message, you'll see complete details, a demo of the software, and results from real users of this breakthrough system. Check them out, then lock in your access now to get everything for a steeply discounted one-time price. Your tiny investment is completely covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. There's zero risk to try this yourself. Your access today also includes several custom bonuses worth over $700 to take your results to the next level. But the bonuses and discount are extremely time sensitive, so check the details below, then click the button to grab your license and get started making the fast money easier than ever before possible.